Yo, BK, Little Catalyst, Super Zaf, AM, Manik Shube, say Jiga again. So remember, boy. Nada. Yo, been waiting for this, ne? Nanda. I got love for Inanda. Rapping the hood cause ngiyathanda. Credit card ngisazoyilanda. Bashiya bephethe amakhanda. Sorry sis, ngiyakuncanywa. If you shaking that booty ngiyakuthanda. Itapeni ngiphethe ngesandla. Ahlehla amaqela sasibanda. Sorry sis, ngiyakuncanywa. If you shaking that booty ngiyakuthanda. Zofika nge-uno ngizokulanda. KO iskele ngiyasikanda. Sichitha ama-vodka no brandy. And mommy's been screaming for Remy. Randelas, I'm looking for many. Fuck these bitches, understand me. Just chilling on my lame show, same hoes. Covenantly mic to in like a scarecrows. When I can stay so, say souls. I'm only like ice prince, so I'm gonna let go. I stay still, instead I get high from pay pills. True pain, dope don't pay bills, but I'd rather be dope than fake real. Your chicken be selected, you step from Lonyan and give Pelen the bed. Speak of my trippers or Pelen the lane. Seven child is collect again. Lyrically, Pelen method. Shy morning, Bensi, Pengele say. Zella spoke of book of a gift sweat. Hanging by a thread to leg in a pen. Now,
hey yo, bro, check my karate kicks.
Yeah! Yeah! Watcha!
Fuckers I'm a parent, kaya kuya nghlekisa ama-fans ngisasha ngifaka isivinini kukhala abaningi bathi ngiraphe ngathi ulimi liyatshenga ngisho kwabhekinini ngimhlaba ngopitsi ngiphoshe ngimninde koshiti ngimkhothisa ubudidi ngimfake emathangeni esidudi sithi ukumdlala ngekiwu kwaqale kwabafanyana bekuthi kuyangizama kwavele kwasheshe kwaphatsha nezinja bezilwa befuna ukungwisa ngitsizwa ngafika ngaqede ngaqala zaphele zancapha sengihlanya ngokubhala anganibona bebethi ngifeki ngabuya ngazwile ngayinquma endwazile zakrosa zacasha ngaphansi kweyikeni bangisane egama baxhaka basazoncama ngonyaka sikhathaza imkhanka basibaya basazonqaka lonyaka ndakaza iblanka ziyamasha kufaka zontanga ngizogcwala sibabaza inamba siyabhampa sidaka zohlama emapopotana wakhohlwe ngeke ngicebise I'm so high ngibheme kakhulu fuck ngeke ngizehlise angijiki nje na ngeke ngizentshintshe ngake ngacula neJezel Brothers but ngeke ngize ngiphinde
enanda kuphela ela wangibuza ukuthi ilayi ngizosho ukuthi la hayi layo la